For f of x equals the square root of 3x, let's find f prime. Have a go at this yourself, and I'll show you the solution on the next slide. In advance of the solution, let me remind you of the following. The square root of n can be written as n to the power 1/2. In addition, we also have this, the square root of ab, which is really the square root of a times b, and you can see the a, the times, and the b are under the same root, can be written as the square root of a multiplied by the square root of b. In other words, you can find this multiplication and then take the square root. Alternatively, you can take the square root of a and the square root of b, and the result of those square roots is multiplied together, and this will give you the same answer as this here. So remember, the square root of ab can be written as this here, the square root of a times the square root of b. And the multiplication does not have to appear under the root as it does here. But all three of these mean the same thing. So we know we have f of x equals the square root of 3x. Now we know we can write this out as the square root of 3 times the square root of x. Now the square root of x can be written as x to the 1/2. Therefore, the f of x can now be written out as the square root of 3 times x to the 1/2. I was able to replace this by this because of what I described here. Likewise, I was able to replace the square root of x with this because of what I described here. Moving on, we can say the f prime of x equals, we'll bring the power down, and we use that to multiply the square root of 3x, and from the power we subtract 1. Consequently, f prime is going to equal the square root of 3 over 2, and the x becomes x to the minus 1/2, because 1/2 minus 1 is minus 1/2. So to recap, 1/2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 3 over 2. And this calculation of 1/2 minus 1 gives us here minus 1/2. Therefore, we can write that the f prime is going to equal the square root of 3 over 2, x to the plus 1/2. Now, from work earlier in the playlist, you should be aware that this x to the minus 1/2 can be brought to here below the line and changed to x to the plus 1/2. We can further write this as the square root of 3 over 2, the square root of x. Of course, you can see that I've replaced this x to the 1/2 by the square root of x, and that is allowed because of what I introduced at the beginning of the video, which is this here. So for f of x equals the square root of 3x, we have f prime being equal to the square root of 3 divided by 2 times the square root of x. For many, it's standard practice to avoid having square roots on the bottom as shown here. And in the next video, I'll go one step further and show you how we can alter this such that there are no square roots on the bottom of what is effectively this fraction.